Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you this makeup look. As you can see, it's a beautiful makeup look with the purple eyes and I just love this look. It was looking really pretty on me. So if you want to watch this video, then please keep on watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. You'll be notified every single time whenever I upload any videos. So this is my face is looking. So first I'm using this M Caffeine serum. It's a beautiful serum. You know from the previous video I raved about this one serum, and right now I'm just really loving this serum a lot, and I do use this for my any makeup look right now, and it's a beautiful amazing serum. It suits my skin and it just gives me a glow effect. So now I'm using my Nivea lip balm. I usually use this. It's a beautiful lip balm. So now I'm using my Lakme Absolute primer. It's a beautiful primer again, and I say this a lot of time in this video, so sorry for that. And it's a beautiful serum, like not a serum, it's a primer. It's a beautiful primer and it just blurs my pores very beautifully and I love it so much. It mattify my face. That is the main thing, because I have an oily T-zone, a very oily T-zone, guys. So now I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and it is, you're gonna see it, what the fault I make in this video, because I never use this foundation and this turned out to be a nightmare for me. It literally a very light color for my face, but I'm gonna work with it and you're gonna see how just it turns my face into a white cast, guys. It's a very white kind of thing, and it is literally not match for me, and I'm very bad in matching foundation, I think, online, and I'd never use this. I don't know why I just use this for this video, but it's just like a mess for me. It literally makes mess in my face. But I'm gonna fix this, guys, and you're gonna know how to fix a wrong foundation if you just apply a wrong one. So I'm just using like a little dark foundation. This is from the Superstay Maybelline. It's a beautiful full coverage foundation, and now I'm literally loving the coverage, guys. It just gives me a beautiful coverage. I'm definitely gonna mix this two together and I'm gonna use this foundation as two together, and it just given me a beautiful coverage, guys. I literally love the formula of this two together. So now you can see I'm very rocking in it, and it's just like a perfect foundation for me now. So now I'm using my Fit Me concealer. It's one of my favorite concealer, guys. I use this a lot and I love it. It melts on my skin as heaven, guys. It is very beautiful on the skin. This one is in the shade Sand 20. It is a light concealer. It's like a brightening concealer for me. I usually go for medium, but in this I just thought that let's go for a little light concealer. Why not try this out? So this is again like a first time I'm trying a light concealer on my face from the Fit Me range, and I do love this one formula. Like the color is really golden. It is beautiful for Indian skin tone, guys. It literally will match for Indian skin tone because we usually have golden tones in our skin. So now I'm using my cream contouring thing. It's the Krylon. It's in the, I think I didn't show you over here. It's my mistake and I'm really sorry for that. It's in the Derma color, and I'm gonna definitely tell you the shade name on the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. And it's a beautiful contouring thing. It literally blends on my skin very well. It gives my skin a beautiful dimension, as well as the color is really soothing for my skin, guys. If you are like my skin type girl, then I would say do use this one and you're gonna love it. So now I'm just blending everything in, setting everything in with my beauty blender again. It's a beautiful beauty blender, baby. It is amazing. It's just gonna set everything in beautifully and it melts everything on my skin, like it just blend everything. So now I'm using my favorite all-time favorite loose powder. It is the Fit Me loose powder. I know guys, you would definitely hear a lot of raving about from a lot of YouTubers, and this is one of my favorite setting powder. This one is in the shade light medium. It's a beautiful shade. I want to try other shade from this range, so maybe I'm gonna definitely try other shades from this range. After this lockdown, I'm gonna buy and purchase this one out as well. So it's again a beautiful one, literally set everything in, locks everything in on my face because I do have a oily T-zone guys. So I'm just using it on my T-zone. So now I just moved on to my eyes and just gonna blend everything in because I do get a lot of creasiness in my eyelid because I have an oily eyelid. So I'm just setting it with like the same setting loose powder, and I'm using like a fat fluffy brush for it. So now I'm using my Endless Possibility palette from Foculaire. It's an amazing palette and I'm gonna use two shades. It's kind of a corally kind of shades. Both are very peachy and corally and orange. It just have that warmth in it, which is amazing. So now I'm using with a flat brush, I'm just using a brown kind of a shade. It's a really brown shade. I'm just gonna blend it with the same blending brush now. Nothing fancy, same as usual. You're gonna do it very quickly and it's very easy to do guys. So blend, then you're gonna get this one look. So now I'm using a black one. It's a black color, usually a black color. Everybody have a black color in our vanity, so I'm just using it on my crease. And guys, if you're applying black, you need to blend it very beautifully because blacks are so freaking important to blend. So now I'm using from the same palette. I forgot to show you the color, but it's a purple color from the palette and it's pretty beautiful guys. It's beautiful and it's just looking amazing on my crease, and I'm just blending it in with the other shades as well with the blending brush. It's a beautiful blending brush from Lacara. I think you guys must check out their brushes. They have amazing brushes. So I'm just blending this all in with the brush and I'm just dusting all my loose powder which I settle down on my areas where I usually set and bake. So I'm just using it a big stippling brush and I'm just dusting everything out. So now I'm using a flat brush and I'm just smoke outing my lower lash line with a black color and blending this in with a pencil brush. It's a pencil brush and I'm just blending this in with a brown color. Then I'm just using a purple color which I used before, and yeah, that's just it. Again, I dust off everything. So now for mascara, I'm using the Lash Sensational mascara and I'm gonna first curl my lashes. So guys, trust me, this mascara is amazing. It lifts up my lashes like boom.com and it literally feels amazing. I just feel like I have falsies without my falsies. With this mascara, it's very inexpensive and beautiful on the lashes guys. It volumes your lashes as well as it curl up, push your lashes up and looks amazing. You can see the difference. I'll just love this so much. So now I'm just using my Wet n Wild contouring duo. It's the caramel toffee and the shade, and it's a beautiful bronzing powder guys. You can see like how I used it. I used it so freaking much and I just loved it so much. So I'm just using it on the areas where I usually do contour. So now I'm using my favorite blush. It's a beautiful, beautiful blush, and I think I need to invest on Nykaa blushes right now because it's amazing blush, guys. So now I'm using a highlighter. It's a same from the eyeshadow palette, and it's a beautiful Bomb.com highlighter, guys. It's basically an eyeshadow. It's a cream eyeshadow, and it performs amazingly as a highlighter. I just loved it. It just blinding on the skin. It blends amazingly, and it was looking really pretty on the skin, guys. I just love it as a highlighter. Definitely gonna use it again a lot of time. So now I'm using a nude kind of a color. It's the Maybelline Creamy Matte. Is in the shade Nude Nancy. It's a beautiful lipstick, and it's in the shade I Told You. Sorry for that. And it's just amazing. It has that beautiful nude color in it, and it just suits my skin tone very well. I love it. So for lashes, I'm gonna go and come back to you. And this is now my lashes looking alike. It's pretty beautiful, very simple lashes. It's a mink lashes basically. I don't know the brand. Sorry for that. It's not anything from any brand. And basically this is all the makeup I did for today, and this is all of it, and I just love this makeup look. Maybe you guys love this too. It's a very simple, easy makeup look that you can do for night out and for any event if you want to go out in night. So that's it. That's for the video. I love you guys. Hoping to see you soon, and bye. And please do subscribe to my channel. Bye. I love you. Mwah.